Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Live, and this is the second part of our last look at the seafront and harbour area of 2020 feet. And we're going to be going to the harbour now. On the way there though, I just want to have a little wander into where the new bus station is going to be. Which will be opening from the beginning of January. Super jumbo glass bottom boat cruises. Canera. There's the lizard man up ahead. The area I want to show you is just over that way. Never done this walk to the tune of Zorba the Greek before. I'll speed away because that might affect the copyright. Because that's something that only Jumbos get. Because remember when I did the Christmas film in Jumbo, it was just like music, all the audio, everything was getting ding ding ding, copyright. I wouldn't mind, but it's not that good, the music they play. If I'd recorded that, I'd want them to remain anonymous. So yes, from the beginning of January, the temporary bus station that's over there in the dusty car park is closing, and two new bus stations are appearing. One here, which we'll just have a quick look at, and the other opposite the McDonald's on the Tomb of the Kings Road. I've already reported on that, but it's just been announced that it's opening. Before you see this film, I'll have done an article on it anyway, so I'll pop a link up to it, and that'll have all the information you need, as well as price increases, etc. Because I believe it's going up from £1.50 a ticket to €2, and it's going to be €6 for a day ticket or something. But the article will have all the information. I just wanted to show you it. So there's plenty of seating there. What there isn't yet is any buses, which is good because I don't want to get hit by one. But from the 3rd or 4th of January, this is where you get dropped off, and I believe you'll have to change if you're going to Coral Bay from here at the Tomb of the Kings bus station. But as I said, you'll get more information in that article. Right, we're now walking through past the entrance to the Archaeological Park, and in the new year I'll be doing a few tours of there inside, because I haven't been there in a professional capacity, if you like, for a few years now. I'll also be flying my drone there, because I say, well, I need to ask permission for that, and I know who I need to ask, but in order to fly my drone there I need to tell them in advance. So I need to wait for the weather to get a bit more stable, because there's no point in booking a week in advance if by the time the week arrives it's peeing down the rain. Ooh. Obviously doing some work there now. These Theos. I'm never sure where the King's ends and Theos start. King's just seems to be that little bit. And presumably this too. There's where all the cruises go from. and the Pelican Restaurant. Now, will we be granted an audience with the Pelican? Oh, COVID hand wash. That's something you don't see all the time anymore. Is there any pelican about? How do you call a pelican? Billy, Billy, Billy. On the phone. Afraid not. Hello. Gelamo Gelato Cafe, eh? Cool. I could do with one of those. Now, whenever I'm here, there's one man I always have to see. There he is. He just stuck 2 fingers up to me, but fortunately they're in the right direction. I'll come and say hello once he's finished his pitch. Right, here's something. They're doing quite a bit of work here now on what's going to be Ocean Basket, and the monstrous carbuncles in front of it are going to be eating area. Now, I heard him finish. His banter was finished. I know, that's why I gave you your space.
What can we do now? We keep trying. Allow it.
I'm fine. Say hello to Paphos.
Hello, Paphos. Welcome back home. This is Ooh La La from Steve.
Yep.
Subscribe to this channel. We love you.
What are you doing over Christmas?
Well, for the Christmas, you know, in the harbour for the past few years now, I've always been get busy from 11 o'clock in the afternoon to possibly 2 o'clock. Thereafter, it gets very quiet.
Oh, okay.
So we'll be here for Christmas. So welcome to Steve's Bar.
So you're working on Christmas Day?
Sure, 100%.
Cool.
So Christmas and New Year, we're always open, never
Oh,
closed.
busy man. Anyway.
Nice to see everyone.
Yeah, happy Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas,
yeah,
everyone.
I'll put a link up to your channel as well on this, so there you go. And take care, mate. I don't want to disrupt him because he's coming up to lunch. Cool. That's the busy life. Now, nice reflection shot. Sounds promising for the castle, doesn't it? Well, it looks promising, it doesn't sound promising. Oh, you can also see the wall. I could even walk up to that from the castle. I could edit it out because the car park itself's not that interesting to walk through. Ooh. I'm feeling the warmth. I'm glad I'm only wearing a t-shirt. If that's all going to be all one restaurant, it's going to be a big restaurant. Maybe photogenic. Have a quick pan round. I do like my pans. Now, if you haven't seen the article I wrote and the film I did a couple of weeks ago about what this place is like at night, you should definitely have a look at it. Art and Crafts Fair.
Good morning, good morning. I'm here.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Wait. Oh, got you. I didn't know you were down here. How's it going? This is Evie from Pumpkin House, in case you didn't know. You should know, though, if you follow my channel. So how have you been?
Yeah, I'm not sure my take what you say.
Oh, I'm sure you can go and show it to me if you want. I haven't got the right camera on for it, but we'll give it a go. Because it doesn't do very well inside. Tell you what, I'll go up there, finish this off, I'll come back and I'll change the settings so hopefully it'll work a bit more indoors. Oh, okay, definitely. I'll be back in a tick. There you go. Oh, so there'll be another little film. That's always good to know. So this is the castle. There's Aphrodite behind me, and a shot of Aphrodite's bottom. Rather unflattering angle, but there you go. Aphrodite gets what she gets. I'll go up that way. So I'll just quickly pop around here to show you the new area. Then I'll see if I can adjust the settings of the camera so that it films a bit better indoors. Right, you know all about the walkway now. I've already got new little flowers there as well, though. That's new. I might have to have another little wander up there at some point. The work there is obviously still continuing. But when I came up here taking photographs the other day, they were still working here, putting in little lights all the way along. Looks like they've finished now though. So, I will say goodbye here, because I don't know how the footage of Evie and all the traders in there is going to come out. But I'll say goodbye, and I wish you a happy Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And I'll thank you for watching our channel, and keep watching it in 2024. Alright, cheers.